Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse video on Kinemaster. First, open your Kinemaster app. Then click this one to add the video. Then you can select the aspect ratio you want. Example, this video. Click the video. Then on the right screen, you can select what do you want to do in the video. And right here is the reverse. So tap it. So let's play the video. Tap this button. And now, it's reversed. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!